Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant and Certified Coach. And I have something that will definitely make a difference in your life within the first 30 days of joining. I know if you're listening to this podcast, you're someone who makes big decisions and solves hard problems. And I have a resource that I'm excited to share with you. If today's topic about what if you actually had time to do what you want in your life resonates with you, I'd love for you to join me in the Reinvention Process private coaching program. This is your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more integrated and balanced lifestyle again. And you can join today for just $297 a month. Email info@financialadventure.com and I'll personally answer any questions that you have and send you all the details. So today, I want to talk to you about why you might be thinking you have a time problem when you find you don't have time to do what you really want in your life, when in reality, you may simply have a priority problem. And I want you to know that's actually really good news. One of the most common things that I hear from accountants and high-stress professionals is, I just don't have enough time. And honestly, I get it. There are deadlines, clients, meetings, emails, family responsibilities, household responsibilities, and somehow you're supposed to take care of yourself, pursue your goals, and enjoy your life too. It can feel impossible. But after years of coaching professionals just like you, I've noticed something really interesting. Most people don't actually have a time problem. They have a priority problem. Now, before you stop listening to this episode, please hear me out. I'm not suggesting that you're not busy. I know you are. What I'm suggesting is that many people spend their days reacting instead of intentionally deciding what deserves their time and attention. It seems like the loudest things get done, the most urgent things get done, the things other people want get done. And then at the end of the day, there's very little time left for what matters most to you: your health, your relationships, your goals, your future. And the result? You stay busy. But you don't always feel fulfilled. One of the things that we work on inside the Reinvention Process private coaching program is helping you become intentional about how you spend your time. Not by squeezing more into your schedule, not by creating another complicated productivity system, but by helping you get clear on what matters most and making decisions that support those priorities. Because time management isn't really about managing time, it's about managing yourself. Imagine looking at your calendar and seeing more of what really matters to you and less of what doesn't. Imagine ending the day feeling accomplished instead of exhausted. That's the kind of change that we're working towards. The Reinvention Process private coaching program includes 2 private 30-minute coaching sessions each month, personalized email support between those sessions, and coaching and support focused on helping you make better decisions, prioritize what matters most to you, and create a life you enjoy living. And right now, your investment is $297 a month. If this sounds like something you'd like support with, simply email me at info@financialadventure.com. Let me know that you're ready to get started, and I'll personally send you all the details and answer any questions that you have. Most people aren't looking for more hours in the day. They're looking for a better way to use the hours that they already have. If you'd like support creating more focus, clarity, and intention in your life, and learn how the Reinvention Process private coaching program can help you, email me at info@financialadventure.com and I'll answer any questions you have and send you all the details. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.